Okay, this is a tutorial on using and accessing Google Docs. To use the Google Docs application, you're going to type in docs.google.com. So wait for the slow internet. And it'll bring you to your Google Docs homepage. Now, I'm already signed in. If I wasn't signed in, I would simply need to enter my Google Docs account page if I want to create a document. If someone has shared a document with me, I will not need to log in. It'll just show up when I click on the link to that document. Now, because I'm logged in, I'm simply going to go over to Create New, and it gives me the whole suite of Google Docs. So think about it in terms of Microsoft Office. This is Microsoft Word. This would be Microsoft PowerPoint, this would be Microsoft Excel, and so on and so forth. These are different forms and extra items that Google provides you. So if I wanted to create a Google Docs spreadsheet, I'd click Create New and click Spreadsheet. Now it'll give me a blank spreadsheet that looks just like an Excel file, and I can start labeling it. So recently I've worked on a rubric. So if I was working on a rubric, I might put exemplary, proficient, average, etc. And I might put clarity, grammar for a writing assignment, evidence, etc. And I just fill it in the way I normally would. Right now you can tell that my spreadsheet is unsaved because my Save Now button is dark. As soon as I save it, it'll ask me to title it. So I'll call this my sample rubric. And now my Save button is gray and it says Saved instead of Save Now. So I know that it's saved and it's all set. And notice that my title has changed to sample rubric. So if I need to send this out and have people accumulate information, my next step is going to be to click on Share. Once I click on Share, I've got a variety of options. Right now, it's telling me that my document is private. Only the people listed below can access it. Right now, it's just me. If I want to change that, there are two options. I can click Change. I can keep it private. I can select that anyone with a link can access it without signing into Google. Or I can make it public, that anyone on the internet, anywhere can find it. No one has to sign in, and everyone can edit it. So I want this semi-private, so I'm going to create a link, and I'm going to click that anyone can edit it who has this link. I save it, and now when I go back to my previous screen, notice that there's a link that it's generated up on top. I'm going to copy that link. I'm going to create my new email. And I will send that link to the recipient that I need. The other option I have, instead of sending a link, is that I can add people simply by just typing in their email at the bottom. This way, instead of getting an email directly from me, they will get an email from Google itself saying so-and-so has shared a Google Doc with you. If you want to go that route, again, you can adjust the can edit or can view. So if you want them to see it but not change it, you would click on can view. If you want them to be able to change it, you need to click on can edit. Now that I've sent this Google Doc, you can see there are two colored boxes. I can see and edit it, and Anonymous User 11 can see and edit it. This will work the same for any Google document, whether it's a Word document, a spreadsheet, or a PowerPoint. That's how you create them, and that's how you share them.